So hi everyone, I am Sohan and I welcome you all to my channel, and this is my third video of this free certification series, and our today's website is edunix.com. Okay, so today we're going to talk about edunix.com, and this is a very excellent platform for learning different technologies. This website is mainly consist of many free and paid courses. I have done 2 certification from this website, and today I am going to review this website, and I also talk about how I complete my courses and how you can enroll for free courses here. Okay, so let's get started. At first, click on your Chrome browser and just search for Edunix. So here will be the link, just simply click on it. Okay, here is the website edunix.com. Link will be in the description, and before this video I also have done 2 of my first video of this series on Open Classroom and IBM Cognitive Class.ai. If you are not watched those videos, just click on the I button and watch these videos. Okay, so at first you need to sign up here. Sign up is free of cost. Okay, as I am signed up, as usual I am going to log in this website. Okay, I'm just going to log in. And after you log into this website, you can find this explore button. Okay, it's a hamburger menu, and you can find these options: the live training, AL and ML shoot, e-degrees. Okay, so we'll understand all of this at first. So live training, Edunix helps you to do live training on OOPS and JavaScript and TypeScript, and live training on CI and CD and Jenkins. Mainly it's of Docker types, Docker or non Kubernetes. Yes, it's related to DevOps. And AI and ML shoot, you can find this course here. You can do paid e-degrees also. E-degrees are long courses of 6 to 8 months required. Cloud computing e-degree, cyber security e-degree, IoT e-degree, and all these e-degrees are mainly paid. Okay, and these courses you can find on software development, web development, mobile, WordPress, system programming, game development. All these types of courses are available here. You can do any one you want. For marketing purpose, here digital branding, marketing automation, advertisement, all these courses are listed here. Office productivity, personal development, okay, lifestyle, IT, engineering, technology. What type of courses you want to do, you can do from here. This website is like Coursera, any other website like Coursera and Udemy. It is also a very good website, and for you can take your lifetime membership Edunix 2.0. I am not so much know about this. A lifetime membership is also good if you are going to take lifetime membership. So I am recommended to not to take lifetime membership from here. You can find many courses are available from this website, and upcoming courses are here. And our today's main topic is learn for free. To get a free certificate, what you can do, just click on it, learn for free. Here are many courses are listed here for beginner and for intermediate also. If you are just a beginner in this field, just click on beginner, and here will be your filter out courses are here. Okay, I am currently doing this course, become a certified web developer from scratch. I know JavaScript and jQuery, and I have done this JavaScript jQuery course from Udemy and here from Edunix also. But I am just going to learn some more concepts on PHP. Here this course also covers PHP, and that's why I am of this course. So if I am go to my course, here is the dashboard of my course. What I am going to learn in this course: that introduction to the course, you can short introduction, HTML, CSS, and I opt this course because of Brent Traversy. Brent Traversy is a great expert in web development, and I admire him very much, and he is the instructor of this course here. Okay, that's why I'm opt this course. And if you are taking web development, software development, or Android development courses from here, I strongly recommended you this website because web development contents are very good in this website because of Brand Traversy. If you are search for YouTube about Brand Traversy, you can get all of his information, all of his work. You can get his portfolio. He is a good software developer in website fields. Okay, JavaScript and jQuery, XML, JSON, Ajax, whatever you can want. The asynchronous call mainly, and PHP purpose, PHP fundamentals, environment variables. Here you can also set up your XAMPP server. You can try to set up the XAMPP server at first. If you don't know about the XAMPP server, what is XAMPP server, the video is coming in this topic. And PHP MySQL, you can find your MySQL fundamentals. To strong your MySQL fundamentals, you can do this course also. And here is an integrated course with PHP and MySQL, and at last you can do 2 projects on this. And here is a framework on what is framework. EE overview. EE is a framework of PHP. You can do this framework from here. Okay, and at last after doing this course, you can generate your certificate from this generate certificate option. And there are many courses here available for free. You can do whatever you want. If you want to on ethical hacking course, you can do this course. If you want a digital marketing from scratch, you can do this course from scratch. Okay, you can just filter out all these things from here. You can from beginners, intermediate, professional, all levels. Okay, you can classify your video on the basis of the stars. Okay, 4.3, 4.6, 4.5, all the stars you can classify this. Okay, if you are just here is this course, Advanced JavaScript for Coders. Okay, if you are just opt this course and how to enroll for this, and just go to this button, and here you can the 54 lectures. You can see the 54 lectures are on this course, and this is the 11.5 hours course, and this language is English. You can wishlist your course from here, and then you can enroll for your wishlist, or you can enroll here from click on enroll now. Here is your dashboard will be here, and you can continue shopping. Just click on my dashboard. This course will be listed in your dashboard. Okay, so here will be your profile. Here is my profile, Hi Sohan, and my home, my dashboard, my notification, transaction, wallet, wish list, certificates. All the certificate you earn from this website, from this free or paid, whatever you earn from this website will be listed here. Here I earned this certificate, and here is my certificate. That is my certificate. This is certified to Sohan Chatterjee has successfully completed Learn JavaScript and jQuery from scratch. And this after completing your own certification, you can download your certificate, or you can share your certificate to Facebook or via Google or LinkedIn or Twitter, anywhere you want. Okay, so link will be in the description. You can check it out, this link from the description, and do these free courses, and these courses will help you very much. And as I am complete 2 of these courses here from here, and I strongly believe that web development courses and software development courses are very good, as I am not do any courses on data analysis or Python, so I am not going to review this type of things. Or I am also going to review entrepreneurship skill also from this website. You can do this, check it out, this course also from here. Okay, so that's for it today, guys. So wait for the fourth video for this series. And if you enjoy this video, please like, share to your friends, and subscribe to my channel.